Is Litecoin still bullish? Crypto Savvy here, guys. What's up this morning in crypto land? We're going to take a look at Litecoin and see where it might be headed.
1, 2, 3, jump!
Good morning, guys. Crypto Savvy here. As always, I want to start out by saying I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is my opinion and my view of the market only. Anyone doing any trading or investing in this market, I suggest you do your own due diligence and your own research, as this market can be extremely volatile and risky. And with that being said, if you guys like the content I've been sharing lately, please click the subscribe button in the lower right hand side of the screen. Give it a big thumbs up and leave your comments. That helps with the YouTube algorithm and helps my content get out there. And if you like the content, please share it. If you belong to any groups, any Facebook groups, anything like that, share it in there if you would. I'd appreciate it. And I want to give a big shout out and thanks to all you guys that have been subscribing. We hit over 300 subscribers. That's a pretty big deal to me, so I appreciate it, guys. Keep it up and keep giving them thumbs up and comments. So, all right, we're looking at the Litecoin in the daily, and these are the targets I had put in there yesterday, the last couple days, in my last couple videos if you've been watching them. I'm gonna make this a quick video. We're gonna zoom in real quick to the 4 hour and take a look at what's going on and what happened yesterday after the video. I had these two trend lines drawn here, and as you see, and I said to watch for breakout, to look at which way it would break out of these. And as you can see, we broke through the support right here, came back down. We bounced off of this support at 41.19 and back up and tested that support as resistance again. And it looked like we had come back down. But as always, you guys you have to be flexible with the market, obviously, as the data changes. That was a little early to be calling a bull flag, but it still ends up, I think it's still a bull flag in my opinion, and I'm still bullish here. So what I'm going to do now, guys, is we're going to take these lines and I'm going to move them. So, and I hope this helps you guys out, if you're doing your own charting and learning this stuff, that, things can change in the market, and it's not like when this broke out of that bottom. If you watch the volume, if we'd had big volume, obviously that would have been a BART move. And a lot of people are still calling for a BART move here, which is possible. Not saying it's not possible. And if it was to BART down, we could be looking at this next, if we break through this support here at 41, 41.13, 41.15, whatever it is right here. If we break through that support, our next support is at the 39.34 range. And then, we may bounce around in here a little bit if we do go down there and then continue on down. And my target for that, I had yesterday right here in the 32.50 range, somewhere in here. Move this up a little bit, because that's the bottom of these two trend lines I've drawn here. I believe we would get a big bounce if we did hit down here. But how I'm looking at that, I do not see this. I don't think this is going to be like a BART pattern to go straight down. If we were to go down, I think we're going to get support right here on the 39, 36, and maybe bounce around in here for a little bit and then continue down. And where we hit the bottom of this, maybe more. And I'm going to move that there because I think that would be more in the line of the area we hit. And that would be right around the $34.75, $35 range. And I believe we'd get a nice bounce from there. Not to say we don't go down further, but as always, as the market goes, we have to watch that. But I'm gonna zoom in here to this here that I think could still be a bull flag. That's the way I'm leaning as of now, guys. I would put that right about there. All right, and if we were to do the measured move off this, let's look at the bull flag here. Do a measured move off this bull flag. And I would put that right down about there. up to here, and we would measure from the breakout. Let's say we were to break out where we're at now, for instance, and that would give us right to this $56, $56.10. That'd be the resistance right there that I've had drawn for quite some time. And as you can see, we got resistance right here, resistance right here. This was a cluster for support and resistance for quite a while. If we look back further, back in 2017, I'm sure we would see it too. But as of right now, like I said, I'm trying to make this a quick video. I don't have a lot of time today, guys. But that gives us that 5604 target. You know, we could come up and, you know, jag it up. It could be a straight shot up, but this is still my target. My main target is 5604, guys. That's if we break up out of this, what I believe to be a bull pennant, bull flag, whatever you want to call it. Now, obviously you can see I have a higher target, and to get that, let's see, we would measure where we were to break out, which would be somewhere in this area. If we were to break out soon, I believe we'd measure the whole wedge there, or whole channel, and then come up to where we broke out, and that brings us right up to that 58, 98, 50, let's say 59 area. And if we look over, see we had, you know, resistance, support, resistance. That all lines up too. So that's the reasoning behind this target here. But yeah, I do believe, you know, that is still in the cards and very possible, guys, that we bounce up here if we don't break out of the bottom of this. So that's where I'm looking at today, guys. I appreciate you guys. Like I said, I appreciate all the support. I appreciate all the thumbs up, the comments, and that. And please, like I said, if you haven't subscribed already, there's a Crypto Savvy logo above my head. Click that. That'll get you subscribed. Tick the little bell. That'll get you notified when I post videos so you can stay updated. And leave comments, guys. I really like to read the comments and know what you guys think and see what you're thinking. And yeah, that's about it. Don't forget to thumbs up. Thanks, guys. Have a good day.